Hi ladies, ever wonder what makes an outfit look expensive? Well, besides the type of fabric that the outfit is, of course, that does play a big role, but an even bigger role is the color combinations in an outfit. Now, you don't have to spend an arm and a leg to look luxurious and to look expensive. So I'm gonna show you, in my opinion, the 8 most expensive looking color combinations in today's video. So if that sounds good to you, grab your coffee and get comfortable because I'm so excited to share these color combinations with you. And as always, everything will be linked down below in my description box. And if there's anything ever on the expensive side, I will always be linking a steal version as well, because I believe that no matter what your budget, you should be able to shop on my channel. Also, I just want to take a moment and thank each and every one of you who watched my divorce video. I actually had to take down that video, and I'm going to be telling you guys why at the end of this video. But I did want to thank you before I get started. The response was overwhelming. I'm so grateful that it reached so many people. It had over 75,000 views and over 800 comments. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for all of your support and love. I'm just so grateful for each and every one of you. Okay, the first expensive looking color combination is navy blue and black. And in fact, I have heard a few women say, and maybe I've read in a few fashion magazines, that you shouldn't pair navy and black together, but I beg to differ. I think that navy and black looks very elegant and looks very sophisticated and modern. Let me know if you agree down below in the comments. Do you think navy and black look expensive and luxurious? So I decided to pair this cropped trench coat with these fabulous black jeans, and I thought this outfit turned out very well. I actually wore it to dinner the other night on a girls' night out, and I got tons of compliments on it. So I think that navy and black is a fabulous color combination that definitely looks expensive. This cropped trench coat is wrinkle-free. It's very reasonably priced. And I just love the navy blue color because I think you can pair it with so many different things. And then these are some A. Gold E. Riley black jeans. These are a high-waisted, slim, straight leg jean, which is all the rage right now in the denim world. All right, color combination number 2. And in my opinion, this might just be the most expensive looking color combination, and let me know if you agree, and that would be camel paired with ivory. I don't know why, but anytime a woman walks in a room wearing camel and ivory, I just automatically think like, wow, she looks amazing, she looks beautiful, she looks sophisticated, she looks elegant and classy. So I always wear this color combination whenever I'm sort of like feeling in a funk or maybe like in a down mood, and it always seems to lift my spirit. So I love wearing camel and ivory for that reason. So this is a really cool camel jumpsuit by Free People, you guys. This is like major 70s vibes, kind of crossed with like the mob wife trend, which is so hot right now. So I really loved the way this outfit turned out. But this Free People jumpsuit is so incredibly slimming. I love the zipper up the front. It hugs your curves in all the right places, and I really loved this camel shade. I thought this camel shade made the jumpsuit appear more unique versus like the regular denim jumpsuit, which is so popular. I still love it, and actually Free People did make this exact jumpsuit in a denim shade, so really kind of cool and edgy. And again, the fit on this jumpsuit is insane. Like, it will literally like make you look up to 5 to 10 pounds slimmer. And then I just topped it with the fabulous ivory faux fur jacket. This one is old. It's by Michael Kors. I think I got it like 7 or 8 years ago, but this is just a statement jacket that will never go out of style. I did find a really cool ivory faux fur jacket that's very budget friendly that I will be linking down below for y'all, and it would look phenomenal with this camel jumpsuit by Free People. Another camel and ivory outfit that I did is from Express. You guys, this camel dress, like literally it's $49. Yes, you heard me right. Can you believe that? And trust me when I say it does not look like it cost $49. Like, I have camel dresses in my closet that look very similar to this that were like a couple $100s. So I just can't even believe how expensive looking this camel ribbed dress is but it's only $49. The reason it looks expensive is because it is camel and because it is made of a high quality wrinkle-free material. So that's another thing you need to keep in mind when wanting to look expensive is the material. Try to pick expensive looking materials that don't wrinkle, like denim, like leather, like wool, like silk, things like that, and you will always ensure you are looking luxurious and like the best version of yourself. Color combination number 3 is olive green and black. So this is sort of a unique color combination that you really wouldn't think looks expensive, but it absolutely does. I love wearing olive green and black. In fact, it's one of my personal favorite color combinations to wear, especially in the fall and winter. This is a long sleeve olive green, easy top by Good American. It is ribbed, it's long sleeve with a V neckline, which I love wearing V-necks. I almost always wear V-necks because it allows you to show off your favorite neck stack, which elongates this top portion of your body, making you look taller and slimmer. Fun fact, every time I meet someone in person that's like never met me before, but maybe they watch my videos or they, read my blog, when they meet me, they're like, oh my gosh, you're so like, they say little or tiny, but really what they mean is you're so short in real life. Because on my blog and on YouTube, I do look taller. It's probably the camera, but I think it is also the way I dress. And having a V neckline is also a really easy style trick that will make you look taller in your clothes. So just a little fun fact there. So I paired this easy Good American top underneath this fabulous denim vest by A Gold E. It's a black vest. It's a little bit distressed, so it's very edgy and also very on trend. Vests are going to be a huge trend in 2024. I love this one because it is a bit oversized, so it definitely gives off those fashion forward vibes. And then I paired it with these amazing A Gold E jeans. These are called the pinch waist kick flare. They are a little bit longer than an ankle length, so they're very flattering. And because they're high-waisted, they're going to do a great job of making your legs look longer and you look taller and thinner. Color combination number 4 is ivory and black, or just black and white, but I think that specifically ivory over white is going to look more expensive paired with black. So this is a beautiful ivory cropped trench coat. It is faux leather. I love the black buttons. I think it really creates a unique sort of contrast that makes this trench coat look way more expensive than it really is. And of course I paired it over an all black ensemble, which also adds to the luxurious vibes that this outfit gives off. I went with a simple frame top. This top is sort of sheer, which is another big trend we're seeing in 2024. So I love this sleeveless sheer top. And then I just paired it with my favorite A Gold E black Rileys. These again are a high-waisted straight leg denim silhouette. I love these jeans because they're an ankle length, which means you can wear them with heels, you can wear them with ankle boots, you can wear them with sneakers. Like, the possibilities are endless because this particular style of denim can be worn with any type of shoe. Color combination number 5 are neutrals. So when in doubt, if you're wanting to look expensive, choosing neutrals and pairing them together will always give you that elevated look. So this is a really beautiful sort of beige neutral faux fur jacket. It is a bit on the cropped side. It is so incredibly soft, ladies. Like, I literally feel like I'm wearing a blanket. And I paired it underneath this slightly darker beige sweater tank from Quince. This tank is like $50. It's very high quality. It's the perfect top to layer underneath all of your jackets. And I think what really makes this outfit look expensive is the lighter beige jacket paired over the darker beige top. So anytime you can really play with colors like that, where you choose one color and then you wear another color that's either slightly darker or slightly lighter and you pair those together, that's always gonna look expensive. And then honestly, I had these faux leather pants on, which are so slimming and so flattering. They're actually by Steve Madden, so I'm pretty sure they're under $100. And I have a pair in my closet by ALC that I think I paid like $300 for. I wouldn't have bought those had I found these by Steve Madden because they're almost identical. And in fact, I like the fit of these better. But because they're neutral and because they have a very slimming fit and because of the fabric being a non-wrinkle fabric, these pants look way more expensive than they really are. Color combination number 6 is Camel and Black. And just behind Camel and Ivory, I think Camel and Black is probably one of the most expensive color combinations out there, hands down. Anytime I want to look luxurious and really just feel like the best version of myself, I find myself wearing Camel and Black a ton. It's easy, it's effortless, and it's always going to look classy and elegant. So this is a beautiful camel quince cashmere cardigan. You guys, quince makes the best real cashmere for the best price. This cardigan is so soft. It does come in several different colors, including chocolate brown. And chocolate brown is another color that you can wear that's always gonna look expensive. It's also a very popular color that's trending really hard in 2024. So I paired this quince cardigan over this black long sleeve top. This is sort of like a ribbed sweater, lightweight from Express, so it's like $50. And trust me when I say it looks way more expensive than that. Why? Because it's wrinkle free and it's made of high quality material, and because it is black. So anytime you choose a darker fabric, it's always gonna look more expensive than it really is. And then I paired it with those same A Gold E Rileys. I forgot to mention that you could wear these A Gold E Rileys with knee-high boots. As you can see, I paired these Rileys with knee-high boots, and they fit perfectly inside these pointy toe knee-high boots. I'm so in love with these knee-high boots because they do have a pointy toe, and what that's going to do is make your legs look longer and you look taller and slimmer. Color combination number 7 that always looks luxurious and expensive is wearing all black. So I've heard that before. The first lesson in fashion, wear all black. So I don't know about you, but when I'm just like not in the mood to get dressed and I really don't want to have to think about what I'm going to put on, if I put on something, you know, that's all black, it's just always gonna look elevated. It's always gonna look classy and elegant, and I just don't even have to think about it. So that's a little style tip. If you wake up in the morning and you feel like you don't have anything to wear, try an all black ensemble and see if that doesn't make you feel amazing. So this is a Karen Millen black leather jacket. This is the outfit that I'm wearing today. This is a real leather jacket. It has beautiful gold luxe buttons. I love the fact that it does have gold hardware because a black leather jacket is so like common when it has silver hardware, but when it has gold hardware, it makes it very unique. This is a timeless leather jacket that I will have in my closet forever, and it is by Karen Millen, which means that the quality is very high. However, for a real leather jacket, this is like the most reasonably priced real leather jacket that I have found, and the fit is impeccable. I paired it over this $50 Express bodysuit, and then these again are the A Gold E Rileys. I wanted to show you guys like 5 different ways, and I think I did in this video of how to wear these jeans. They do come in black, they come in blue, they come in light blue. I even think they come in like an ivory shade. So I will link all of them down below because this is one of my favorite denim silhouettes, the high-waisted slim straight leg. Again, because you can literally wear it with any type of shoe. So I really love the way this all black look turned out, and I added some leopard pumps to kind of give it a bit of interest. I love wearing like an all black look and then adding a different color or pattern on my shoe. I think that really sort of elevates the look and adds interest to it. Okay, expensive looking color combination number 8 would be all white or all ivory. So this is another one of my all-time favorites, especially wearing all white in the fall and winter is even more amazing because it's so unexpected. A lot of people will expect you to wear all black or darker shades, which don't get me wrong, that's fabulous as well. But when you wear all white or all ivory, it is definitely unexpected, especially in the fall and winter. So this is a blank NYC satin bomber jacket. You guys, it's on sale right now for under $100. So what a steal for such a cool bomber jacket. This was actually like one of the best-selling jackets on my blog last quarter. So this is just a beautiful bomber jacket. Bomber jackets are also trending really hard in 2024. It's comfy, and I just think it's very fashion forward looking because it is slightly oversized. I paired it over a very comfortable V-neck cashmere sweater, and then these are some amazing ivory jeans. They're a high-waisted denim silhouette, straight legs, slightly tapered at the ankle, and these are by Redone. I think they're called the 70s straight leg jeans. So I really love this denim silhouette as well because even though it's a bit on the baggier side, it's still like a slim straight leg. So I think it's still very flattering. And these jeans do a great job of fitting over ankle booties in case you love wearing ankle booties like I do, especially in the fall and winter time. So those were the 8 most expensive looking color combinations. So please leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite one was, because I always love hearing from you guys. Okay, now about the divorce video, I did have to take it down due to legal reasons. So that being said, I am still going to make videos on this topic, meaning like toxic relationships, self-love, self-worth, how to remove yourself from toxic relationships, because I have been in multiple toxic relationships since I was 16 years old. So I have a lot of wisdom to share, because I've had to obviously remove myself from all of those relationships, and they basically all really sort of encompass the same pattern. So although I'm not going to be able to share specifics about my previous marriage, I am going to be able to share a generalization of all of the toxic relationships that I have been in. So don't worry, I'm still going to be sharing this type of material, because like I said, I had such an overwhelming response from you guys. And so this just lets me know that this is something that a lot of women struggle with. And so, you know what? I'm here to help y'all. I'm so grateful that I was able to be so vulnerable and it was so well accepted, because like I said in that video, the main reason I made that video was to help other women. And since it had over 800 comments and over 75,000 views, I think it's safe to say that it helped a tremendous amount of women and definitely made an impact. And I do feel that I didn't go through all of that pain for no reason. I really want to turn the pain that I went through into my purpose, which again is to help women just like you look and feel like the best versions of themselves. And of course, that's with fashion, because the clothes you put on your body definitely have a direct impact on how they make you feel, but also being in relationships, whether that's romantic or friendship or family relationships, also affect how you feel. So again, I'm just going to be still continuing to share my strength, experience, and hope with all of you. Again, I'm just so grateful that you guys visit my channel and that you watch my videos. I love each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. For more style information, you can head over to my blog, soheather.com, and on Instagram, I'm soheatherblog. I hope you have an amazing day, because you deserve it, and you should always love yourself like crazy. Remember that. Love yourself like crazy, because when you do, everything else will fall into place. Bye-bye.